Smoked pork jowl bacon. All right, we got our little setup here. Let's start cooking. Oh, I need a better dinner plate, so we're gonna make one. Look at that. Just cook the face of it till it's nice and crispy. Then you slice a little bit off the edge, eat it, put it back on the fire, crisp up the next beef. Look at that. I still got some honey butter left. I'm gonna make me another piece of flatbread. This dough is almost frozen. Gotta let it warm up a little bit. There we go. Lovely piece of warm bread. I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. That is so good.